Everyone keeps telling you that AI is going to make someone very, very rich. They're right, but they never tell you how. They just sell you a course for $497 and leave you more confused than when you started. So today, I'm going to do what those guys won't. I'm going to go through every real, actual way people are making money with AI right now. The legitimate ones, the sneaky ones, the ones that take 5 minutes to start, and the ones that could replace your entire job. No fluff. No just post content and the money will come. Real stuff. I'm a capybara. I have no reason to lie to you. Let's go. Let's start with the fastest way to make money with AI. Not the most glamorous, but the fastest. Freelancing. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Most clients have no idea how to use AI. They know it exists. They've heard the name ChatGPT, but actually sitting down and making it produce something useful that they don't know how to do. That's your opportunity. You take a skill you already have: writing, design, coding, video editing, translation, customer support, and you use AI to do it 5 times faster. You don't charge 5 times less. You keep the same rate, or you raise it. Think about it. A copywriter who used to write 3 blog posts a day can now write 15. That's not working harder. That's working with leverage. The services that are blowing up right now: AI-assisted copywriting, SEO content, video scripts, social media packages, and email marketing sequences. Small businesses need all of this, and they don't have time to figure out the tools themselves. You do. That gap is worth real money. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even cold outreach on LinkedIn are full of companies looking for exactly this. The pitch is simple. I'll deliver professional content faster and at a competitive rate. You don't even need to mention AI if you don't want to. I've seen people go from $0 to $3,000 a month in 60 days doing this. Not because they were geniuses, because they just started. But freelancing has a ceiling. You can only work so many hours. So what if you want something that scales while you sleep? Digital products. This is where it gets interesting. The idea is simple. You create something once and sell it 1,000 times. No inventory, no shipping, no refund drama at the post office. You make the thing, put it online, and every time someone buys it, money appears in your account. AI makes this almost absurdly easy now. Ebooks, templates, prompt packs, Notion dashboards, Excel tools, Canva templates, mini courses, study guides, legal document templates, workout plans, meal prep guides. The list goes on. The key is specificity. A productivity template is not interesting. A project tracker for freelance video editors who work with multiple clients, that sells. Niche down so hard it feels uncomfortable. That's when you know you found something. Where do you sell them? Gumroad is the easiest to start. Etsy is huge. For templates and digital downloads, your own website if you want full control. Some people make 5 figures a month selling Notion templates. I'm not making that up. And here's the AI angle. You can use AI to research what people are looking for, write the content of your product, design the visuals with Midjourney or DALL-E, write your product descriptions, and even create the marketing emails. What used to take weeks takes days, sometimes hours. The hardest part? Actually finishing and publishing the thing. Most people get stuck in the "I'll do it when it's perfect" loop. It doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to exist. Now, what if you want to make money not from your own products, but from other people's products? Affiliate marketing. The model that sounds too good to be true, but actually works. Here's how it works. A company has a product. You tell people about it. Someone buys it through your link. You get a cut. No product to make, no customer service, no inventory, just commissions. AI tools pay some of the highest affiliate commissions in any industry right now. We're talking 20%, 30%, sometimes 40% recurring. Meaning if someone signs up for a $50 per month tool through your link, you get $15 to $20 every single month forever, as long as they stay subscribed. How do you get people to click your link? Content. YouTube videos reviewing AI tools. Blog posts comparing AI software. TikToks showing AI hacks. Twitter threads about the best AI tools for a specific job. Pinterest boards. Reddit answers. You find where your audience already is and you show up there with useful information. The AI angle here is, well, you're using AI to make content about AI, which is a little recursive, but it works. You use ChatGPT or Claude to help you write reviews, comparison articles, and scripts. You use AI image tools to create thumbnails. You use AI to research what people are actually searching for. The whole pipeline can be almost entirely automated once you set it up. The honest caveat: this takes time to build. You're not going to make $10,000 your first month, but if you stay consistent for 6 months, the compound effect is real. Some affiliate marketers in the AI space make more than most people make at their full-time jobs. Speaking of full-time jobs, what if your job already involves creating content, and AI could make that content creation 10 times faster? You're watching a YouTube video made with AI assistance right now. Meta? Absolutely. But also proof that it works. Content creation has always been the long game. Build an audience, monetize the audience, ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, courses. It's not new, but AI has completely changed the economics of it. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding. You don't need to be on camera, you don't need a studio, you need a good script, a voiceover, which can be AI generated, and simple visuals. Channels explaining finance, history, true crime, technology, and yes, AI itself are getting millions of views. Some of them are run by one person in their bedroom with a laptop. For blogs and SEO content, AI has become the unfair advantage. You can research keywords, write a 2,000-word article, optimize it for search, and publish, all in a fraction of the time it used to take. The blogs that are winning right now aren't the ones writing more. They're the ones publishing smarter. For short form, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, AI helps you brainstorm hooks, write scripts, generate captions, and suggest trends. The ideas that go viral aren't random. They follow patterns. AI is very good at identifying patterns. Now, one important warning: the content that actually builds lasting audiences is content with a real point of view. AI can help you write faster. It can't give you your voice. It can't give you your perspective. The people crushing it in content right now are using AI as a tool, not as a replacement for their own thinking. If you're willing to be the person with the ideas, AI will handle a lot of the execution. That's a powerful combination. But what if you don't want to build an audience? What if you just want to sell a skill directly to businesses? This is where the real money is. And most people don't talk about it because it doesn't have the appeal of passive income. Consulting. Right now, there are thousands of businesses, small businesses, medium businesses, even big ones, that know they need to implement AI but have absolutely no idea where to start. They're scared of the technology. They don't have the time to figure it out, and they're willing to pay someone to figure it out for them. That someone could be you. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to know how to code. You need to know how to look at a business, identify the repetitive tasks that AI could handle, find the right tools, set them up, and train the team. That's it. A one-person AI consultancy charging $2,000 to $5,000 per project is not unusual. Some charge monthly retainers. Some build out custom solutions for specific industries, legal firms, real estate agencies, e-commerce stores, dental offices, and become the go-to expert in that niche. AI agencies are also booming. You hire a few freelancers, take on clients, and build AI workflows for them. Think automated customer service, AI-generated marketing materials, internal knowledge bases, lead generation systems. All of this is in demand right now, and the supply of people who can deliver it is still way lower than the demand. The barrier to entry is lower than you think. Spend 3 months genuinely learning AI tools. Build 2 or 3 case studies. Then reach out to small business owners in your area or niche. The hardest part is the first client. After that, referrals do the work. Now, there's one more way to make money with AI that's growing so fast it barely existed 2 years ago. What if instead of using AI tools that someone else built, you built the tool yourself? Before you close this video, hear me out. This is more accessible than it sounds. Tools like Bubble, Webflow, and Make let you build apps and automations without writing a single line of code. You can build a product that uses the ChatGPT API under the hood, charge people for access, and have a real software business. No computer science degree required. And if you can code, even a little, the OpenAI API, Anthropic's Claude API, and similar tools make it genuinely possible for one person to build something that would have taken an entire engineering team 3 years ago. What kind of products? Custom chatbots for specific industries, resume review tools, writing assistants for niche use cases, AI-powered research tools, automated report generators, tools that take a messy process and make it clean, fast, and intelligent. The SaaS model, software as a subscription, is one of the most valuable business models in the world. A product with 500 paying users at $20 per month is $10,000 per month in revenue. With AI infrastructure costs dropping every year, the margins on these products are getting better, not worse. The challenge here is real. Building something people actually want to pay for is hard. Most products fail not because they're bad, but because nobody needs them. Before you build, talk to potential customers. Find the pain first, build the solution second. And if you're not technical, partner with someone who is. Complementary skills are how most of the best products get built anyway. Now, I want to be honest with you about something before we wrap up. Every one of the methods I just described is real. People are making real money with all of them right now. But here's the thing. The reason most people don't make money with AI isn't because they don't know the methods. It's because they spend all their time watching videos about making money with AI instead of actually doing anything. I know, the irony of a capybara saying this in a YouTube video is not lost on me. The truth is, AI is a tool. Tools don't make money. People using tools make money. The shovel doesn't dig the hole. You dig the hole with the shovel. There's also a real risk of the market getting flooded. Every method I mentioned works better now than it will in 2 years. The people who start today have an advantage over the people who start in 2026. That gap is closing. And one more thing that nobody says out loud. Some of these methods involve making money by teaching people to make money with AI, which creates this weird pyramid of content where everyone is teaching and nobody is actually doing. Don't fall for that trap. Build something real. Serve a real customer. Solve a real problem. AI gives you leverage, but leverage without direction just means you fail faster. So pick one method, just one. The one that fits your skills and your situation, and go deep on it for 90 days before you decide it doesn't work. So, every real way to make money with AI explained without the hype. Freelancing if you want money fast. Digital products if you want to scale. Affiliate marketing if you want commissions. Content creation if you want to build something long term. Consulting if you want to work with businesses. Building products if you want to go all in. None of these are get-rich-quick schemes. All of them work. All of them require you to actually show up and do the thing. Subscribe. I'm a capybara. I don't sell courses, I just explain things. See you in the next one.